Hi guys, this is Fullerton Professional Organizing, and my name is Carrie, and today we're talking about divine order, bringing God's plan into your home organization. Now, when organizing your home is not just about tidying up. We've said that in the previous podcast. Sorry, it's about aligning with God's divine order. If your faith is important to you, and bringing harmony to every aspect of your life. In this podcast, we're exploring how incorporating God's plan and the divine into our home organization can bring peace, purpose, and fulfillment to your living spaces. And we're going to start with tips for divine order. But first, to have divine order, we have to have our plan has to be surrendered to God's plan. God's plans are our plans. God's values are our values. So number one, pray for guidance. Begin each organizing session with a prayer, asking for God's guidance and wisdom in creating a home that reflects His order, especially if organizing overwhelms you and your home is overwhelming. You're going to need His guidance, His peace that surpasses understanding, a calmness, stress-free, anxiety-free. 2, trust in His timing. Trust that God's timing is perfect and that He will guide you to declutter and organize your home in His perfect timing. It doesn't all have to be done at once. Align with His principles. 1, simplify your space. Embrace simplicity and minimalism, aligning with biblical principles of contentment and stewardship. 2, practice hospitality. Create a welcoming environment in your home, reflecting God's love and hospitality to all who enter, especially if you would like to have guests or Bible studies or Christian fellowship or women or moms into your home. Find joy in service. This is a hard one, guys. Everybody wants to be served, but not too many want to serve. So 1, serve others. The first people you're going to be serving is your family, your spouse, your children. Use your organized home as a platform for serving others, whether it's hosting gatherings, volunteering, or supporting those in need. That's 1, serving others. That's a hard one because even in our homes, we want to be appreciated and valued. 2, share your blessings. Be generous with what you have. Sharing your blessings with others and extending God's love through acts of kindness and generosity. By inviting God into your home, organization journey, and aligning with His plan and principles, you can bring divine order, peace, and purpose to every corner of your living spaces. Whether you're simplifying your space, practicing hospitality, or finding joy in serving others, organizing your home becomes a spiritual place that reflects God's love and grace. Now, we can also talk about in this podcast organizing your business with God's guidance, whether that's at home or otherwise. As entrepreneurs especially, We often overlook the importance of bringing God's guidance into our business organization. In this time here on this podcast, we're exploring how incorporating God's principles can lead to greater efficiency, success, and fulfillment in your business endeavors. Here are some tips for organizing your business with God's guidance. Some of these might be similar to the ones we've already gone over, okay? So first, number one, start with prayer. Begin each workday with prayer, asking for God's wisdom and guidance in your business decisions. 2, trust in His plan. Trust that God has a plan for your business and seek His direction in every aspect of its organization and management. Now, going back to number 1, don't forget to read your Bible daily. Then your prayer. Okay, so 1 is, I'm going to change these a little bit. 1 is do your daily Bible reading. 2, start with prayer. 3, trust in His plan. I mean, either you trust Him or you don't. Align with biblical principles. 1, integrity in business practices. Conduct your business affairs with honesty, integrity, and fairness, reflecting biblical values of righteousness and justice. Now, number 2, stewardship of resources. Manage your business resources responsibly, recognizing that they are entrusted to you by God. Everything we have was given to us by God, whether you believe in God or not, whether you believe what I'm saying or not, it's true. So, it is entrusted to you by God, and it should be used wisely and ethically. Now, how about practicing faith-based leadership? Number 1, how you do that is servant leadership. Lead with humility and compassion, following the example of Jesus as a servant leader in your business interactions. He was not too embarrassed or too prideful to serve others. He washed feet. Now, so 1, servant leadership. 2, empower your team. Encourage and support your employees if you have them. Recognize their unique talents and abilities as gifts from God. Are you ready to organize your business with God's guidance? Subscribe to Fullerton's Professional Organizing for more tips on integrating faith into your entrepreneurial journey. Share your experiences and insights in the comments below. We'd love to hear how God's guidance is transforming your business organization. Now, by incorporating God's guidance and biblical principles into your business organization, you can create an organization that operates with integrity, purpose, and divine wisdom. Whether you're seeking wisdom in decision making, aligning with biblical values, or practicing faith-based leadership, organizing your business with God's guidance leads to greater success and fulfillment in the marketplace. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and podcast channel for more insights on integrating faith into your entrepreneurial journey. Thank you for joining us on this podcast toward organizing your business with God's guidance. And I will see you on the next podcast.